This celebration is not only a testament to the hard work and commitment of the Bureau, but also a reminder of the strong partnership between the public and private sectors in ensuring a transparent, efficient, and progressive trade and customs environment. As a key stakeholder, CCBI has always been steadfast in supporting the Bureau's initiatives, particularly in trade facilitation, compliance, and modernization. As a customs brokers, we recognize our vital role in ensuring the smooth flow of trade, promoting ethical business practices, and upholding customs laws and regulations. We stand alongside the Bureau of Customs in its mission to curb smuggling, improve revenue collection, and streamline customs processes for the benefit of the entire trade industry in the Philippine economy. Our commitment to BOC, Port of Opera, remains unwavering. We pledge to continue working hand in hand with the Bureau in enhancing operational efficiencies, fostering professional integrity, and embracing digital innovations that will help strengthen our customs and trade systems. As we celebrate this anniversary, let us reaffirm our shared vision of a more resilient, secure, and progressive customs and trade sector. Together, we can overcome challenges, embrace opportunities, and drive the industry forward for the benefit of all stakeholders and the nation.